Space is vast, really vast. It's an endless ocean of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be discovered. When we look up at the night sky, we see a fraction of what's out there, a mere glimpse into the infinite cosmos. You may think of our solar system with planets orbiting a star. It's a comforting image, isn't it? The sun at the center, with planets like Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, gracefully circling around it, each in its own predictable path. But did you know there are planets out there without a star to call their own? These are the wanderers of the galaxy, drifting aimlessly through the void, untethered to any solar system. We call these rogue planets. They are cosmic nomads, moving through space without the gravitational anchor of a star. They are loners, drifting through the darkness of space. Imagine a planet like Earth but without the warmth and light of the sun, floating in the cold, dark expanse. Rogue planets are hard to see. They don't have a star to illuminate them, making them nearly invisible against the backdrop of space. They emit very little light. Without a star to reflect, they remain shrouded in darkness, detectable only by the faintest of glows or the slightest of movements. We usually find them by chance. It's like stumbling upon a hidden treasure in the vastness of space, a rare and exciting discovery for astronomers. A tiny blip in a telescope's view, just a small, almost imperceptible dot that hints at the presence of a rogue planet. A slight gravitational tug on a passing star. This subtle wobble can reveal the hidden presence of a rogue planet pulling ever so gently on the star's path. These cosmic ghosts are a mystery. They challenge our understanding of planetary formation and the dynamics of our galaxy. Finding a rogue planet is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. The odds are slim, but the reward is immense, offering new insights into the universe. But with new telescopes and clever techniques, we are getting better at it. Advanced technology allows us to peer deeper into space and uncover these elusive wanderers. Every rogue planet we find tells us more about the universe and its secrets. Think about it. Each discovery is a piece of a larger puzzle, helping us understand the cosmos and our place within it. A whole planet, alone in the darkness. It's a haunting image, a solitary world adrift in the vast emptiness of space. What a strange and lonely existence. These planets travel through the cosmos, isolated and unseen, carrying with them the secrets of their origins. But maybe, just maybe, they hold clues to the origins of our own planet and the life it sustains. In their solitude, they might be the key to unlocking the mysteries of our own existence. Where do rogue planets come from? It's a question that keeps astronomers up at night. The most likely answer is that they are born in chaos. Imagine a young solar system. Planets forming, jostling for position around a newborn star. Gravity pulls them this way and that. Sometimes a planet gets pushed too far. It's ejected from its system, flung out into the void. Another possibility is that rogue planets form directly from collapsing gas clouds. These clouds are not massive enough to create stars, but they can create planets without a sun. Whatever their origin, rogue planets are a testament to the power of gravity, a force that can bind planets to stars or cast them out into the darkness. Space may seem empty, but it's actually quite crowded. Planets, asteroids, and comets are zipping around all the time. It's like a giant cosmic billiards game, and sometimes there are collisions. Could a rogue planet collide with Earth? It's possible, but extremely unlikely. Space is big, really big. The chances of a rogue planet hitting Earth are astronomically small. You're more likely to win the lottery every day for a year. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't think about it. After all, we only have one Earth. And while a direct hit is improbable, a close encounter could still spell disaster. So, what would happen if a rogue planet came knocking on our cosmic door? Let's imagine the impossible. A rogue planet enters our solar system. It would be a cosmic dance of epic proportions. The planets, including Earth, wouldn't be immune to its gravitational pull. The rogue planet's gravity could disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system. It could fling planets out of their orbits, or send them crashing into each other. It would be chaos. Earth's orbit could be altered. We could be pushed closer to the sun or farther away. Either way, it would be bad news for life on Earth. Our climate would change dramatically. The seasons would be thrown into disarray. Life as we know it would be in peril. Planetary eviction, a new home for Earth. In the cosmic game of billiards, sometimes a planet gets lucky. Imagine the vastness of space as a giant billiards table, where planets and celestial bodies are the balls. They move around, influenced by the gravitational forces of stars and other planets. Occasionally a planet might find itself in a precarious position, teetering on the edge of a cosmic collision. Instead of a catastrophic collision, it gets a gravitational nudge. This nudge, though seemingly insignificant, can alter the planet's trajectory entirely. It's like a gentle push that changes the course of a ball on a billiards table, sending it in a new direction, a nudge that could send it on a new path. This new path might lead the planet to a different part of the galaxy, away from its original orbit. The possibilities are endless, and the outcomes can be both fascinating and terrifying. If a rogue planet passed close enough to Earth, its gravity could eject us from our solar system. This rogue planet, wandering through space without a star to orbit, could disrupt the delicate balance of our solar system. We would become a rogue planet ourselves, adrift in the vastness of space. Imagine Earth no longer tethered to the sun, floating aimlessly through the cosmos. The night sky would change dramatically, and our familiar constellations would be replaced by new unknown stars. It's a frightening thought, but it's not all doom and gloom. While the idea of Earth becoming a rogue planet is unsettling, it also opens up new possibilities for exploration and survival. Earth could potentially survive as a rogue planet. Our planet has proven to be incredibly resilient, with life adapting to various extreme conditions over millions of years. Our atmosphere would protect us from the cold of space. The thick layer of gases surrounding Earth acts as a shield, keeping the planet warm and protecting it from harmful radiation, and our oceans could potentially provide some warmth. The vast bodies of water on our planet store heat and could help maintain a stable temperature, even in the frigid expanse of space. Life on Earth would have to adapt, of course, but it's not impossible. Throughout history, life has shown an incredible ability to survive and thrive in the most unexpected places. After all, life finds a way. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life has always found a way to endure. And if Earth were to become a rogue planet, there's no reason to believe that life wouldn't continue to adapt and survive in this new, uncharted territory. Cosmic extinction, the ultimate cataclysm. While unlikely, a direct collision with a rogue planet would be the ultimate cataclysm. It would be the end of the world as we know it. Imagine the impact. The energy released would be unimaginable. The Earth's crust would be vaporized. The oceans would boil away. The atmosphere would be stripped away. Nothing would survive. Not even bacteria. The Earth would be reduced to a molten ball of rock. It would take millions, if not billions of years for it to cool down and reform, and even then, it would be a very different planet, a dead planet. It's a sobering thought, but it's a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting our planet. Sentinels of the sky early warning systems. The good news is that we are not sitting ducks. Astronomers are constantly scanning the skies. They are looking for potentially hazardous objects, including rogue planets. We have telescopes all over the world and even in space. These telescopes are getting better all the time. They can detect fainter objects and track their movements with incredible precision. If we do find a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth, we will have time to prepare. Maybe not decades, but hopefully years, or even decades. That's enough time to develop a plan to deflect the rogue planet or to evacuate the Earth. Section 8. Cosmic Perspective. Our place in the universe. When we gaze up at the night sky, we are often filled with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The stars, the planets, and the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy stretch out before us, inviting us to ponder our place in the cosmos. The thought of a rogue planet colliding with Earth is terrifying. Such an event could have catastrophic consequences, altering the course of life as we know it. The sheer power and unpredictability of space can be both awe-inspiring and frightening. But it's important to keep things in perspective. The universe is vast, almost beyond comprehension. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the likelihood of a rogue planet intersecting with our tiny corner of the cosmos is incredibly slim. The universe is a vast and wondrous place. It is filled with swirling galaxies, brilliant nebulae, and countless stars. Each celestial body has its own story, its own history, and its own place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. And we are just a small part of it. Our planet, Earth, is but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things, yet it is our home and it is precious. The more we understand about the universe, the more we can appreciate the delicate balance that allows life to thrive here. The chances of a rogue planet hitting Earth are incredibly small. However, the universe is full of surprises and we must remain vigilant. Near-miss events remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of space, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't be prepared. Scientists and researchers around the world are constantly studying the cosmos, seeking to understand its mysteries and to protect our planet from potential threats. We should continue to explore the universe and learn all we can about it. Space exploration not only satisfies our curiosity, but also provides us with valuable knowledge that can help us navigate the challenges of the future. After all, knowledge is power. The more we learn about the universe, the better equipped we are to face its uncertainties. Every discovery, every piece of data, brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it. And in the vastness of space, we need all the power we can get. The universe is a place of both beauty and danger, and it is up to us to harness our knowledge and resources to ensure our survival and prosperity. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember those cosmic loners. Think about the vast distances they travel and the stories they carry with them. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of the universe. They are a reminder of the beauty and the danger of the universe we live in. As we continue to explore and learn, let us never lose our sense of wonder and our drive to understand the cosmos.